Hello everyone, welcome to day one of the statistics series. I'm Shweta Vishwakarma and in this video we are laying the foundation of statistics, one of the most important tools in data analysis toolkit. Whether you are analyzing customer behavior, improving business strategies or building machine learning models, statistics will guide your every step. So let's get started. So, what is statistic? Statistic is the science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, presenting, and organizing data. Why it is important? Because it is very helpful in making informed decisions used in almost every field like business, healthcare, sports, politics. So, static is the science of learning from data. Okay. It involves collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. In the context of data analytics, it helps you to convert raw number into actionable insights. There, there are two major branches. First one is descriptive statistic, and second one is inferential statistic. Descriptive statistic means which summarizes the data, give you the summary, and inferential statistic which allow us to draw conclusion from the data. Here written like summarize data and describe the features of data. And what is the example of descriptive statistic? Like which method is used in this? Like mean, median, charts, and graph. Inferential statistic makes prediction or inferences about a population based on sample. For general understanding, population is the your complete data, and sample is the part of population. Okay, so method used in inferential statistic are like hypothesis testing, confidence intervals. For real world application, statistic used in business to understand market trends and customer behavior. In healthcare, analyzing treatment effectiveness. In sports, player performance analysis. In politics, opinion polls and election forecast. Let's say you work at a food delivery company like Zomato. Descriptive statistics helps you to find that the average delivery time is 30 minutes. Okay, and inferential statistic helps you to test whether reducing delivery zones could significantly lower that average time across the entire city. So, why is statistic too much important for data analysis? Because without a statistic, data is just a noise. With it, you uncover trends, test business ideas, and solve real-world problems. It helps you to understand what's happening with data, make prediction about future trends, and test assumption with confidence. Let's assume you are a data analyst at Netflix. Your team needs to know whether people are more likely to finish a movie when it's under 90 minutes. You would use statistical analysis to prove or disprove that assumption. And that's where the magic happens. In real world, statistics used across industries like business, sports, healthcare, politics, marketing also like it identifies which campaign convert best. In healthcare, it predicts the spread of disease also. In e-commerce, it helps optimize pricing and promotions. In sports, it helps coach to scout player and strategies like performance analysis. For example, A classic example is Amazon recommendation engine. By analyzing massive volume of user data, they use statistics to suggest the products you are most likely to buy next. So, in simple term, you can say like descriptive statistic summarizes the feature of the dataset. You use measures like mean, median, mode, and standard deviation for it. For example, uh, average basket value is 1200 rupee. An inferential statistic lets you draw conclusion or make prediction about a population based on a sample. You use tools like hypothesis testing, regression, confidence interval. For example, we are 95% confident that changing the website design improve purchase rate. This is what confidence, okay? So, what is data? For common statistical term, we learn this thing in very brief manner, but let's understand in a single line. Like, what is data? So, data is raw information which may be numerical, categorical, ordinal, or Boolean. What is population? Population is the entire group being studied, like entire group of data. The entire group you want to study, like all Amazon customers. Sample a subset of that population, like 1000 randomly chosen users from the Amazon. What is variable? A characteristics or property that can vary is known as variable. So, for the summary, statistics helps to make sense of data, like statistics give meaning of data. There are two branches, descriptive and inferential, which where descriptive stats describes and inferential stats predicts prediction and application in many real world scenarios. So in short, statistic is the discipline that deals with data collection, analysis, and interpretation. It helps us to draw insights and make decisions under uncertainty. Okay. For real world example, like imagine you're working at a Swiggy, your team notices a drop in late night orders. You collect data and find that delivery time after 10 p.m. has increased by 12 minutes. You know, use a statistic to test whether this increase is causing few orders and determine if introducing a priority delivery service could reverse the trend. This is how statistic turns problem into solution and insights into action. So, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.